Today, I'm going to see if I can create an entire track using just one plugin. Let's see if it is all you need. It's kind of a challenge because it is hard to find the perfect plugin with all kinds of presets needed to finish the Zouk instrumental. Also, a lot of producers adapted behavior and belief that to create good music, you need a lot of plugins. That is not true. You only need a few with good sound, well crafted. That's why my ready-to-go plugins are Contact plugin, Nexus plugin, Kompa plug, and Ample plugins. In this video, from start to finish, I will use Kompa plug. 80% of my produced beat, I use this plugin. Check the link on the video description to download it for free. The main focus of this beat is not a drum loop, only instruments and melodies with only a single plugin, so I skipped the drum parts. So let's get started straight with the piano. This plugin was created specifically for Kompa Zouk production. Let's select piano and choose Haitian Grand and start drawing our melody. I play it on my mid keyboard while recording, then I will quantize and polish the chords to sound perfect. Press Ctrl A on the keyboard to select all and quantize. After quantization, I think I need to change the sound to something soft. And I will clone it so I can add guitar on top. Open the piano roll and draw the guitar like this, simple and sweet. If you want to purchase the Pro version, use the coupon I provided on the video description to get 15% off during checkout. This is so cool, but let's play a bass instrument. Remember, our goal is to only use one plugin till the end. Clone the plugin one more time and choose the bass preset. Now let's add this pattern to the playlist and play it together with the drum loop. Let's play pluck, or something that sounds like bell to spice up the vibe. Now let's play strum guitar. I know it won't be perfect the way I want, but let's give it a try. Alright, our beat is finished. The challenge was accomplished. My beat sounds so nice and I used only one plugin. You can get the Kompa plugin for free or buy the Pro version, which comes with many presets. I have provided a coupon code. If you use it while purchasing, you will get a 15% discount during checkout. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Now it's a time to enjoy good music and see you in the next videos.